Hi, my name is Mary Colin and welcome to your short standing yoga flow. It's only 5 minutes long, no yoga mat is needed, and there will be no forward folds. Let's get started. Let's ground ourselves first. Find a comfortable standing position. Gaze down at your feet. Lift all of your tippy toes. Fan them out and root them down individually. Anchor down through all four corners of each foot. Use your weight to anchor and root you down even more. Now imagine there's a string attached to the crown of your head, pulling you gently up. Keep that length in your spine and neck as you release your hands by your side. Take a breath in, lift your shoulders toward your earlobes. Exhale, loop your shoulders down your back to widen your chest. Beautiful. Root to rise. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, cactus your arms and mirroring you, twist to your right side. Inhale, come back to center, arms back up. Exhale, cactus your arms again, twist to your left. Nice. Take a breath in, arms high. Exhale, hands to your heart, Samasthiti. Now bring your hands to your hips and step your feet leg distance apart, toes out, heels in. Slowly lower your tailbone down and keep your shoulders over your hip bones. Take a moment to gaze at your knees and see that they are in direction of your second toe. Squeeze your glutes together to open your knees wide. Now clasp your elbows, take a breath in, exhale, lean over to your right side. Inhale, come back to center, switch. Exhale, lean over to your left. Inhale, come back up to star pose. Exhale, hands to your hips, parallel your feet. Rotate both of your feet over to your right side. Align your feet hip width distance so your pelvis is neutral. And you may step a little bit more back to arrive in a double lunge. So both knees are at 90 degrees. Keep your front knee over your ankle or slightly behind. Interlace your hands behind you. Take a breath in, elevate your heart. Exhale, pull your shoulders down your back, lean back. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, shake out your legs. Let's do this again. Parallel your feet. Rotate to your left side. Align your feet hip width distance so your hips are neutral. And you may step back a little bit more to arrive in your double lunge again. Keep your front knee over your ankle or slightly behind. And your knees are about at a 90-degree angle again. Interlace your hands behind you and see that you're switching. So the one you never really do. Take a breath in. Elevate your heart once more. Exhale, loop your shoulders down your back. Option to lean back again. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, shake out your legs once more. And come back to your standing position. Breathe in, arms overhead. Exhale, hands to your heart, Samasthiti. Thank yourself for showing up, taking these few minutes to give your body some love. Namaste.